2024 is coming to an end now, and also we are heading 2025, or probably by the time you are seeing this video, we are already in 2025. I just want to share with you 5 business idea that you can learn and master to make money for yourself in 2025. Also, I will be walking you through this 5 process every other time on this channel. So I will urge you to subscribe to this channel so you can get all these helpful updates once I start dropping them, right? And this 5 business model is something I've tried out myself, make so much money for myself. To an extent, I get to train people about it. So I want to teach you this, and I want you to pick it up right from here and leverage on them so you too you can earn money for yourself, right? The very first thing I started with is affiliate marketing. So this is just something basically simple by you just referring someone to what they want. Imagine people that want to buy a smartphone like this and they don't know where to buy it, and you have a friend or you know a particular store that sells smartphone, or and you just recommend a smartphone like this, or probably you take them to the store and you earn commission for bringing a referral, which is what affiliate marketing is basically all about. And with that alone, doing it online can make you so much money for yourself. If you want to learn this and you want to scale up this, you can go over to YouTube, watch videos around it. Plus, I have my affiliate marketing course in the description below, so you can get started with that and you can learn how you can build this business model right from zero to millions of naira every other month for yourself. So that's number one thing. And the number two thing is freelancing. It's just something basically simple. You rendering your knowledge to people and you getting paid for that. So all of these two is what I started with and make me so much money to level up and scale with number three, which is print on demand. Normally, you don't need any money to start with, but then you need the knowledge. So which is something that's going to take most of your time to learn how to do the printing, how to build your store, how to get audience, how to do the marketing. But don't worry, all of these things is what I will be walking you through over the time, step by step on this channel. So be a subscriber so you can get notified once I drop the video around this. Number four, you can do for yourself in the online space is creating and selling digital assets, which is something that's helped me make over 15 million naira in a single month, right? This is just something simple. You penning down your ideas, what you know, in form of ebook, audio file, cheat sheets, templates, or even video course. So with this, you can sell it to the hungry markets and make so much for yourself. And number five thing which helped me start and make me so much money as well is blogging, right? You starting out as a blogger is something you can easily do. I started out blogging with my smartphone, and it's just something that's simple to do. All you need to do is to write an idea about a topic and you post it out there to people for them to read or get information about. And with this alone, you can get to leverage your sponsorship, affiliate marketing, like embedding your link in your article. Also, when you get to that stage, you can get to monetize your website with Google AdSense, or probably a lot of AdSense company are out there that you can start out with, and they can easily make you so much money for yourself. Now, to 2025, which I called the men's year, I want to build a community where all of us is going to make money together with the same flow. So I created a WhatsApp group that have the link in the description below. So click that link and get on that group, become a member so you can get to derive ideas of businesses that you can do online to make money for yourself without any prior experience, technical skill, or investment, right? All of these things is just something that you can do, but the information is what you still lack, which I'm going to be dishing out to you on this channel throughout this year 2025. And we can make so much money with that by sharing our idea, what I know, what you know. Your comments trigger me to make more video to solve your problem that you might have in the online space. So all of these things is what I will be coming up with in 2025, so all of us can be on the same page and get to sail high with our online businesses, right? All you need to do now is to map out your goal, map out your targets, give yourself a time, and also devote yourself to learn every of the step-by-step strategy that I'll be sending to this channel right from back or the coming ones, which is going to help you start, make money, scale, and build a life that you ever want in the online space, right? So if that being said, guys, I just want to share with you, and this is the list again, which you can get started with: affiliate marketing, freelancing, print on demand, selling digital asset, and also blogging. These 5 businesses can make you so much money for yourself if you take your time to build them and you stay consistent with them. They can earn you a living and also give you a better lifestyle than what you can ever imagine. So right, if that being said, guys, and you gain so much value from this video, like this video, share with your friend that you want to join us on this journey 2025 to make so much money as the men's here. Subscribe to this channel and be part of the community so all of us can get to be on the same page with the updates and the flows of work every other day. So if that being said, guys, it's time to get back to work here, and I will see you in the next one.